Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of SHADOVIA. Last time we ended off at finishing the second quest of Old Man Smithy. But in this video, I will show you me finishing off the quests and getting his combat arts. But first, I will show you me getting the nail gun because you guys wanted me to get it. Shout out to both of them. Then, I made the nail gun, but then something interesting happened. The game decided to update, which is the Christmas update. There will be more about that later on in the video. Now, we are going to do the old Smithy quests. For the third quest, we have to fight Smithy McSchmidtire. Let's make our way there. He should be here somewhere. Found him, let's talk to him. Never mind, he's gonna be aggressive. Time to mow him down. That's a lot of damage! And we still can't kill him with that? Let's keep spraying. Uh-oh, someone else is attacking me. The final spray. And he's dead. Let's get back to Smithy. Thanks for the XP, sir. Next quest. This quest is at Brimstone. Let's go find the guy. There he is, and he has a nice hammer. Time to die, Mr. Smithy Maker. Almost there. Finally, let's head back to Smithy again. Let's go, we leveled up. We are now here at the castle. Let's find this guy. Found you, Mr. Schmidtire II.
1, go!
This guy already seems to have a lot of HP. And there we go. We finished the Smithy quests. Let's go. We got the Smithy combat arts. In the update, the devs added a new boss and, as you saw in the video, a lot of snow. They also added new materials, Jolly Ingot and Candy Canes. The Candy Cane gives a temporary damage buff, but the Jolly Ingot is a crafting item. Anyways, here's me fighting the boss. Sorry guys, but that will be it for today's episode. Don't mind the background. I will try and do 2 videos every day for the holidays, but for now, like, subscribe, and see ya.